should I advertise on my own branded keywords, and when does it make sense? This is also one of the questions that I, as a business owner, and I, as an agency owner, would ask. And whenever the brands that we're advertising for would ask, I'm letting them know, yes, why we should be doing it is because what I'm seeing on my end is that if I am not running ads for the keywords that are defining my brand and describing it exactly, but competitors are, they're going to show up first. And really, it's an attention game, right? So let's say that I want to buy something super specific. So it might be this Focusrite audio phase that right now I have. Hopefully, if I'm moving it, it's not going to mess up my audio. If it's this Focusrite audio interface that I want to have Scarlett Solo, and someone else that also has audio interfaces or advertising for Focusrite, and they're showing up, and let's say that they have different products and multiple products, trust me that even if I want to buy this one, my attention would go to that other product as well, because it might be cheaper, it might look better, it might be more fancier, it might have better, better build, it might have a better design. So that's why I'm saying that the prime real estate for you is really your own listings. So make sure that you're showing your own products on your own listings, because that is already, hey, you already showed interest in my brand, let me show you also my other products. But it's really important also to run for your own branded terms. Reason for that, if you're not running, usually someone else will.